Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my videos. Today is Sunday. I want to do something productive, so I told myself that now that I showed you guys the toolbox behind me, if you guys want to check the video out, go ahead and check it out. But we just got this new toolbox. It's this Milwaukee tool cabinet set. It's actually a workbench and a tool chest on top. They both are from Milwaukee, but the top is a 56-inch, the bottom is a 52-inch. I personally like how the setup is. I want to make sure that we try and keep this for as long as possible. I plan on taking this with me onto my next house, and now that we're actually gonna start using it, I feel like it's the perfect time for me to show you guys this tool cart that I got a while ago. When this first came out, it was $700. I personally didn't think I was ever gonna be able to get it because of the price. I couldn't afford it. But a couple weeks ago, I was strolling through Farm and Fleet and I found them on clearance. They were being sold for a little bit more than half of the original price. And I'll tell you guys this, the tool cart that we're about to build, it's made of the same reinforced frame that this toolbox is made out of. So this thing is definitely gonna be lasting us a while. It is very durable, but I am gonna go ahead and start unboxing it to make sure that everything is in there. Once I take everything out of the box, I plan on just laying it all on the floor and then separating all of the pieces to know which is which. But without further ado, let me show you guys my new Milwaukee 40-inch steel work cart. But I am so excited. I am going to be able to just put all of the tools in this cart, walk around the whole car, bring my tools with me. And this tool cart actually has its own drawer. And that drawer comes with a key. So even if I leave tools inside of there, I can just go ahead and lock it up and it'll be just fine. So without further ado, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and start taking everything out of the box. And then I'll give you guys an update. Alright, I went ahead and took everything out of the box. I just want to tell you guys my plan of attack. This tool cart is basically already built. All we're putting on it is going to be the legs, the handle, and the wheels. You're going to have two compartments, the bottom part and then the top part. You can't really confuse them. This is the top part because this is the part that has a outlet connected to it. We're gonna start with this one right here. I'm gonna lay it upside down on those white foams right there, and I'm gonna start adding the legs and wheels. And what I want to do right now is make it look like this. shout out to Milwaukee for those straightforward directions. But now let me show you guys the finished product. I already went ahead and placed all of the things that I'm gonna have on the cart on there. This is honestly my favorite part because I plan on just keeping my computer here, and it has a perfect little mouse compartment right there. And what I like about this is I can be working on my own stuff on this side and then just go to the other side and just have a clean workspace over there for my laptop. This tool cart did come with 2 drawers. You got the top one right here, and then you got the bottom one right here. It also has these stands on the side. I went ahead and readjusted them. I put one on that side and then one on this side. Another thing that I really like is the fact that on the corner it has these corner guards. So if you do hit it against something, it hits that first before it damages the paint. It does have 4 outlets right here on the side and then 2 USB ports. You do gotta have this connected to an outlet. I don't see myself using that much. I have so many outlets around the whole garage, so you never know. I might need it. I'm happy it's there. If I need it, I'll use it. If I don't, I won't. Pretty happy with the color, I'm not gonna lie. It matches up with the tool chest just right. It also has this top compartment, which is huge in my opinion. You got so much space here. But that's gonna pretty much wrap up today's video. I wanted to go ahead and just get this tool cart set up and ready to use. I'm really happy with Milwaukee and all of their products, and the fact that I'm growing my inventory with their products is amazing. I never thought I was gonna be like this much into a brand, but with that being said, if you guys like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I got one more tool video before I start showing you guys the process of me working back on the Subi. I do got a video already of me working on it, but I don't want to show it to you guys just yet. But if you want to support the channel, leave a like, go ahead and comment down below what you think of my new tool, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out, my friends. I think someone liked the tool cart.